Hello my loves, it's Rene Daniella, and I want to say thank you so much for tuning into my video about Klarna today. So I'm a travel host as well as a content creator. Between the two of those, I have to rely so much on my tech. So that's my phone, my camera, my laptop, so that I can shoot, edit, and share all of my content. And recently I really wanted to upgrade my action camera from the GoPro Hero 7 to the newly released GoPro Hero 10. So I decided I was gonna test out the Klarna app on this purchase. And when I was on the app searching for my GoPro Hero 10, I also noticed Klarna's got Expedia, Airbnb, and pretty much every other one of your favorite travel booking platforms. So I can absolutely see how Klarna is gonna be such a huge benefit when you're booking travels, as well as just doing general online shopping. So make sure you stay tuned to the end so you can hear all the benefits of using Klarna. And for anyone who's not sure what is Klarna, let me tell you about it. So Klarna is basically a service that allows you to spread out your payments for your purchases, and it's interest-free. And so, for example, let's say you want to buy something that's $100. So instead of you paying all up front for that $100, you would break it into 4 installments through Klarna. And so at checkout, you would pay that first installment, $25. 2 weeks later, you'd pay your second installment of $25. 2 weeks after that, your third installment. 2 weeks after that, your fourth and final installment. And it's all interest-free. And the best part is if you put your account on auto pay with Klarna, then you don't even have to think about it. And so I love that Klarna has 2 different options for you to make your purchases. You can either purchase in-app through the Klarna app, or you can do like Klarna partner brands. So it could be H&M, Sephora, literally so many of your popular favorites. Platforms like Wayfair, they all work with Klarna as well. So when you go to check out after your purchase, you can find Klarna as a payment option, and that's how you'll be able to utilize the Klarna Pay in Full. So I'm gonna give you a little bit about my experience with Klarna of finding my new GoPro Hero 10. So when you open the app, I was able to find Amazon right there in some of the featured stores, and I clicked on it, and then through the Amazon platform, I searched my GoPro Hero 10, added it to my cart, and then checked out through Klarna, made sure I connected my account, and like I said, if you set up auto pay, you don't even have to think about it. And I just love that Klarna allowed me to break up my GoPro Hero 10 payment into 4 interest-free payments versus paying it all right then up front. Okay, so let's get into some of the benefits of using Klarna. So I would say number 1, the major benefit of using Klarna is just the ability to have more time to pay off your purchases. It's just so much more easier on your pockets when you, instead of having to do one lump sum up front, you get those 4 installments, so you get more time to pay it off. Can absolutely see how that's gonna be such a game changer when you're doing something like replacing a broken laptop or a lost phone. You know, those like unexpected expenses that you kind of didn't plan for in your budget, as well as just big expenses like booking full-on trips with hotels, flights, and car rentals, you name it. You know how much those trips can just kind of pile on and add up. So for me, that is definitely a major benefit and a major plus. Okay, benefit number 2 is the fact that Klarna does not affect your credit. So unlike credit cards, which can directly affect your credit, Klarna won't. Your credit affects everything from being able to get a loan for a house, getting approved for purchasing a car, even being able to rent an apartment. And so whatever you can do to protect your credit is so important. And then benefit number 3, Klarna has its own rewards program. It's called Klarna Vibe. So for every dollar you spend in app, you get 1 vibe, and that vibe can add up to be able to be discounts that you can use at some of your favorite stores, or it can also be a $5 gift card to some of your favorite platforms like Uber or Amazon. Benefit number 4, Klarna also has some really good tools in app like collections and price drop notifications. And basically, for price drop notifications, for example, if you want to get these new pair of shoes and you want to wait till they go on sale, you can put a price drop notification on it so that when it goes on sale, Klarna will alert you and you can make your purchase then so that you don't miss it. And then benefit number 5, Klarna has a whole section dedicated to deals and discounts going on online. So if you want to know when your favorite store's got 30% off going on, it's going to be listed in their deals section. So that's just such a good way for you to shop way more strategically and make your budget really stretch. So regardless of all these benefits, I do want to say You must shop responsibly. You should always shop responsibly. Stay within your budget, shop within your means. Just let Klarna be a tool that makes your shopping experience way more easy, way more seamless, and just a better process overall. So I really hope that this was a great video for you, that it gave you all the tips that you need to know and all the info you need to know about Klarna. You should definitely go download the app so you can experience it for yourself. And plus, you gotta go through and see how is it gonna benefit you. Keep in mind all those cool things that you've been wanting to purchase, maybe gifts for yourself, gifts for others, or maybe you need to get a new laptop, or you wanna go on that amazing holiday. Klarna is gonna be the perfect place for you to book and purchase all of that through. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I wish you all happy shopping.